the diversion of wheat, corn, and the like, for the wives and immediate family members of drivers and conductors of public utility vehicles. Tulong para kay lolo at lola for their early. We must maintain the fiscally prudent policy to manage inflationary pressures, provide a safety net to those members of our society. Posted 4.2% compared to 6.2% in the same quarter last year. South Korea's growth was similar to ours at 4.8%. Our team is doing their best on all fronts to manage inflationary pressures, provide a safety net to those members of our society who are hit hardest by these global developments, and deliver the growth that will continue to generate jobs and the tax revenues that we need to fuel our investment in the future. While the recent economic picture has been challenging, there is also no doubt that thankfully we have had the foresight to plan for this day through tough choices to reform our tax system. This has given us the funds to invest in targeted relief to our most poor through programs aimed at relieving the high price of energy and food. Examples of key projects and programs that are in place to alleviate the pain include removing tariffs on petroleum products, Pantawid Pamilya, for food self-sufficiency, for less energy dependence, for greater self-reliance in our attitude as a people, in our posture.
Thank you very much, Madam President.
Excuse me.